Like how cool is it, and how different is it from the friendship that you share with girls?
My guy friends they are like my sahelias. They are literally my sakhis, and they are a part of everything that I do, I want to do, my family functions, um, big days of my life, bad days of my life. If they are a part of everything, and the trust that you get from them is really like, I don't know how to explain it. It's real. I mean, it's really magical. I love hanging out with my guy friends, and they give you that sense of security, that sense of safety. कि मतलब मैं अगर कहीं 2 बजे भी कहीं बाहर आना है, I'm like, listen, can you come pick me up? He never says a no. He will always come pick me. He will make sure I'm home. They are like my go-to people, and I really love that.
That's amazing. That's amazing. Ehsas?
Yeah, I think that it really depends on the guy also, how they are. I feel like most of it depends on the guy to maintain a guy friendship. Like I've also had experiences where I'm very good friends with a man, and they have thought it differently, and they have come around and said, no, we love you, we want to take this to another level types. That's when it gets really ugly, and then I've broken friendship. So it really, like, I feel 80% of that friendship works on the guy, depends on the guy, but it is genuinely fun. You can actually, I feel like you can be yourself with them, and you also get a male perspective easily. You have access to male perspective, and how when you want to romantically get involved with someone else, you come to your male best friend to figure it out. So I think it's fun.
Are you guys able to sit with them and talk about feelings? वो कर पाए हो? Like with girls, I think we can do that easily.
मेरे वाले से हो जाती है. मेरा वाला मेल फ्रेंड भी बहुत सेंसिटिव है. वो एक्चुअली ज्यादा वही बात करता है जैसे वही मैं कहती हूँ कितना रोता है यार तू कभी तो फन बात कर. So
nice.
I'm able to speak to my male friends about feelings also.
Amazing.
Like that.
Yeah, मुझे actually ये भी लगता है that I think male friends are able to talk about their feelings with their female friends better, I think.
Yeah, that I have experienced a lot where I have a friend who was going through a hard time, and he came to me and he just started crying. And I'm just like, and when somebody cries in front of me, I get a little awkward, and I'm just like, funny. And I'm just like, there. Because I don't know what to do, what kind of comfort this person needs. I know what I want, the Samyala person might know what I want. But now I don't know what this person wants. And I'm just like, listen, what do you want me to do? Like, you want me to sit here? And he's like, yeah, just sit here. And I said, okay, fine. And he cried. So I think they are very emotionally available both ways. Like, even I can be very I can be my most vulnerable self in front of them. Even they are their most vulnerable self.
Nice. Okay, I want to come to the other part of this conversation now, and I want to ask you girls, have you girls felt shame around something? Like shame around talking about something? Let's say shame around periods, or shame around talking about sex. ये कभी रहा है? Has this been like a baggage?
स्कूल में बहुत देखो मेरी मम्मी ने तो कभी, it never came from my mother. My mom was always very obviously she was the only one who told me about periods in the first place, but then there was no shame कि ऐसे you don't talk about it to people, or she was very chill about everything. But yes, in school, like, because my friends were told कि you can't talk about periods, or you can't buy sanitary pads, or say sanitary pads, or say the word period in front of anybody, because they were unfortunately in that environment where they were taught not to say these words. So then obviously when I would say period, they would always shush me कि अरे नहीं ऊंची नहीं बोलना. So then for me that was कि okay, maybe this is how it is. But then again, as I grew up, went to college, I had a different set of friends, and they were very chill about it, and also my mom helped in that. So धीरे-धीरे मतलब वो एक होता रहता था, कभी होता है कभी नहीं होता. पर आज तो मैं बड़ा खुल के बोलती हूँ कि महीना चल रहा है.
Okay, so now we're going to get into something fun again, because you both are also very, at least Ehsas, a little more, I think, is more unhinged than Revati is.
100%.
Okay, so this is Zivame Presents Unhooked and Unhinged. All right. There is a little shame also around talking about bras and lingerie. Right? अगर दिख गया, हाँ, oh my god. Like, have you seen ये आप किसी भी mall में जाओ and if you go to the lingerie section, यार I will confess that अभी मैं जब जाती हूँ ना तो मैं ऐसे देखती हूँ कि अच्छा मुझे देख कौन रहा है. Like, who is actually, like, how many people are actually looking at me?
I've never felt that.
Hey?
I've never had that thought has never crossed my mind.
You know, I was very shy until 3-4 years ago when we went shopping. This is, I think, after COVID, when the first time we went for lunch and then we went shopping and you were like, okay, let's go to the bra section. I'm just like this.
I don't know.
And yeah, because it was very normal for you. And I'm just
Nice.
like, मैं उसको कैसे बोलूँ कि मुझे शर्म आ रही है.
Hmm.
But then she went, she walked, she bought, and she's like, तुझे चाहिए? मैंने कहा नहीं, मैं यार ऑनलाइन मंगा रही हूँ.
मैं तो इतनी बदतमीज हूँ, मैं तो वहाँ पहन के ऐसे लगा के रखती हूँ अपने ऊपर कि ये ठीक है,
ये अच्छी लग रही है, खराब लग, इसको उतारते कैसे?
फिर मुझे बोला है मेरी एक और दोस्त है, उसने बोला है कि ये नहीं करना, ये रहने देते, तुम हो ओपन, इतना नहीं लगा.
So I think after that I have been a little more open about कि अच्छा कपड़े तो है भाई.
हाँ,
मतलब
correct.
गलत तो तुम कुछ कर नहीं रही हो कि
बिल्कुल.
ऐसे इतना शर्माओ.
ना पहनो तो दिक्कत, खरीदो तो दिक्कत,
दिखे तो दिक्कत.
हाँ बे.
Okay, so now I'm going to give you options, and you have to. We all can come up with fun stuff. This is things you can say for your bra and dash. Okay, so things you can say for your bra and partner.
Thanks for supporting me always. Lifting me up.
Wow,
That was really quick, no?
Very good. Good
That's
job.
nice.
I wouldn't have thought of it.
That's nice. Things you can say for your bra and girl bestie.
You're very expensive.
Thanks for making me look pretty.
मेरा ही किया ना कॉपी.
Pretty क्या? Pretty बोला मैंने यार.
ठीक है ठीक है. हाँ.
ठीक है. Things you can say for your bra and mom.
You're very comforting.
Always holds me tight.
Now you just went downhill.
No, it was a smart answer, yeah. My
Yeah.
mama also holds me tight, no? ऐसे
Yeah.
बच्चे को ऐसे protect करते हुए.
Yeah,
हमारा
something like
दिमाग ही खराब है.
I will always need you even when I'm old. Yeah, so.
That is a nice one.
Amazing. That's very good.
That's actually very nice.
Okay, things you can say for your bra and ex.
I don't use wear and tear. I don't know. No, that's not what I
No, this is very good. Please stick to this. You snap very easily.
Things you can say for your bra and therapist.
I need you.
Fair? Correct?
Yeah, I think, yeah.
Correct?
100%.
That's right.
I need it.
Yeah. And lastly, things you can say for your bra and crush. And you crush.
I want you.
Essas, now you're just like assertive, imperative, interrogative.
No, but
ऐसी
she's-
sentences में बोल रही है यार.
ज़्यादा English में बोल.
I would also have said the same thing. Like, I want
I
to
want
have
you.
you.
I want to have you.
Revati, say.
Flowers look good on you.
Flowers look good on you.
I
Come
must
there are
have
flowers
you
on the bras which are very cute.
Correct.
And if
Correct.
I give my crush a flower, then I can also be like, hey, flowers look good on you.
I still win, but
like
okay.
that.
Yeah, I didn't say anything. Jesus Christ.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.